Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video I want to show you how to make a power bank. Here you can see this. In previous video I show you unboxing of these two power bank. Here you can see that. Now in today's video I am going to make this power bank. Friend, there is lithium ion battery cell. I will insert this lithium ion battery cell into these power banks. I am using 8 lithium ion battery cell to make this power bank. Friend, there is negative side and there is positive side. I will insert negative side in this section. Here you can see that. Friend, if you like this video, then subscribe and press bell icon. Now let's insert these cells. Here you can see that I insert all these cells. Now let's close this. And power bank has been ready for use. Now let's time for testing. Then there is flashlight of this power bank and there's two ports. There's charging port type C and there's charging port for mobile charging. I also made this power bank from lithium ion battery cells. And there's charging ports. So friends, that's all about my this video. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Have a great day.